Step out of your comfort zone. Explore the possibilities. Create your future and expand your mind.
Hi, I'm Apostle Stephen Holford, and I want to invite you to the 2020 ALCC Worldwide Breakthrough Convention from October 7th to 11th. I'll be one of the speakers, and God has given me a word that will encourage you, challenge you, and propel you to a place where you will impact without limits. Join Pastor Festus and Anthonia and a cadre of powerful speakers for what will be an awesome conference. You can't afford to miss it. So we look forward to having you from October 7th to 11th for the Breakthrough Conference online with the ALCC. I'll be there. Others will be there. You join us, and may God minister to you, bless you, and propel you to a place where you will impact without limits.
Start your journey to a life of impact without limits at the ALCC Virtual Worldwide Breakthrough Convention 2020, October 7th through 11th. Your journey to a life of great possibilities begins here.